Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is a very quick show and tell video of some passion twists done. Now this video here is not a tutorial. I am only showing the twists done and not me twisting them because I already have a number of videos doing just that. So for the style, I did use 7 bags of the freetress waterwave air in 22 inches, and for each twist I used 1.5 strands. Actually, each bag of air came with 16 strands of air. I mean, that's a given, and it's actually very important to note that the amount of air used makes a difference, really, because this is a style that tends to get really heavy. As such, I always try to stick with no more than 7 bags so that the style is not so heavy on the person's head. So usually I start by spacing out the back nicely and then close the style up in the front with some smaller parts, so you have a full but not too full, and most importantly not heavy at all. So to enjoy the video.